To use DeepSeek AI, first go to Play or App Store and search DeepSeek and download this app. I have already downloaded this app, so after downloading, open the DeepSeek app. Now after opening it, it will ask to create your account. So to use this application, we have to make an account first. To make an account, click on Sign In. For me, I can make an account with email ID only, so I will proceed with that. If you have an option to make account with number, then you can do that too. So first, enter your Google email ID, then create your password, and then confirm your password. And after this, it's asking for code. So to get a code, click on Send Code and check your email ID. It sometimes takes around 2 to 10 minutes to get a code. Due to heavy traffic it's getting on his app. So if you don't get a code, don't click on Send Code again and again, because once you get a code, that code is valid for 5 HRs. So just wait for code, and after you get a code, just type the code, accept all terms and conditions, and then click on Sign In. So after signing in, you will get in the app. Its interface is very much similar to ChatGPT. So here it's all similar like ChatGPT. You can ask questions and it will answer. Its response is very fast, and it's much more accurate and precise than ChatGPT. It has a DeepThink R1 feature, which you can say that it's an advanced version, which you get here for free. It's very impressive, and what I like about it, that it thinks before answering anything, and tell on the process that what it's thinking, and about answers it way better than any other AI app available in the market. It also has a search feature, so when you apply this and ask any question, it search all on the web and gives you the accurate and up-to-date answer. So it's very impressive too. So what do you think about this app? Have you used it? What's your thoughts? Don't forget to write it in the comment sections. See you in the next video.